Hello ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we are going to talk about our project, which is relayout of Everpads manufacturing facility. Our team comprised of Ashwin, myself Sean, and Nako. The manufacturing facility belongs to Everpads Co. Limited. The company was established in 1995. It's currently headquartered in Taiwan. The company has branches in China, United States, and the Netherlands. The company is involved in the production of spare parts and components for heavy industrial vehicles, like excavator and road building machine. The facility we are concentrating on is located in China and produce 6 products, which are track adjuster, sparkly and umbrella, track roller, chain link, track plate, and track pad.
Now, we are looking at the current layout of the facility. There are 14 departments labeled from A to N. This facility is involved in the manufacture of 6 products which flows from one department to another. Offices and restrooms are located on either sides of the facility. Department A is for assembly and painting, Department E is for welding, Department I is a machine shop, Departments J, K, L, L are processing shops. Departments F and M are storage, G and N are for shipping and receiving respectively. We also have empty departments like B, C, D, H. The work in progress of each department are stored in pallets and transferred from one department to another by using forklifts. Here is an animation of the product flow for the trackpad. The flow begins from the receiving department N, where the forklift transfers the raw material to the storage department M. From this department, the required quantity of raw material is transported to trackpad processing department L. After processing, the product is transferred to the storage department F and is now ready to be shipped. Let us now quantitatively analyze the current facility. Here is a flow between matrix for all 6 products. The tabular column onto the right shows the corresponding quantity for each product. We then calculate the adjacency efficiency using the data from the flow between matrix. The efficiency for the facility is calculated to be around 40%. The table onto the right shows the flow cost distance values for each product. Here, it is evident that the material handling between the departments is inefficient in terms of travel distance and time. Some products like track rubber and track plate are anticipated to have larger demand in the future. Therefore, the current available spaces within the facility needs to be utilized for meeting a larger sales demand and for the possible future expansion. Taking into account of these existing problems with the current layout, we have decided that our objectives for the project are to reduce flow distance, improve material handling, and have flexibility for future expansion.
Alright, now we proceed to redesign the layout to improve the flow and efficiency by using craft. So we decided to fix the shipping and receiving departments due to their proximity to the entry and exit locations. Also, we decided to fix the restrooms and other office spaces. After using craft and getting the new layout, we calculated the new efficiency, and it's around 72%. Comparing this value to the previous value of efficiency, which was around 40%, this shows a significant improvement. Also, we calculated the flow times distance values for the new layout. Our objective was to reduce the flow times distance, and now comparing the new value and the original value, it shows that we have achieved our objective. Okay, now let's also talk about the current material handling at the facility. Right now, in the facility we use forklifts and pallets to carry work in process materials from one department to the other, and because of this, forklifts have to travel multiple times in a given day. And let's say if the quantity is high, the amount of travel will also be high, and this will eventually increase the material handling cost and labor. Also, if the company in the future decides to expand and increase the production of any of these products, then we will require more pallets and forklifts, and this will create traffic and bottlenecks inside the facility. So because of the existing limitations of the material handling system, we decided that our new material handling system must have low material handling cost, and should also improve the efficiency. And also this new system must be flexible for future expansion. So taking all this into account, we propose a rail cart system. This system will have 3 rails along the vertical aisles, and loading and unloading can happen on either side of every department. Alright, here's an animation of the product flow of the trackpad in our new redesigned facility. The material handling inside the department is done by overhead cranes. In conclusion, we can see that the change in our layout has decreased the flow to a greater extent, and now the empty spaces can be utilized. It can be utilized if there's an increase in production demand. Also, the new system is more efficient in terms of cost and flexibility. Finally, we would like to thank Everpads Co. Limited for supplying us all the necessary information for doing the analysis, and we would also like to thank Dr. Norman for this opportunity. Thank you.